guys, introduce myself. My name is Dela Ayu Ramadhani Amirin with NIM 19142010170, and I am one of the students at the Development University of Indonesia Manado, and I'm the 5th semester of nursing faculty. And here I will fulfill my final semester exam assessment with English course by Lektur Men Nurhayati SPD M.Hum. And here I will discuss about health problems, namely cough disease. Definition: coughing is the body natural response to expel substance and particles from the respiratory tract so they do not enter the lower respiratory tract. Coughing can also signal other conditions from asthma to lung cancer. Cough treatment: in addition to taking cough medicine, there are several independent efforts that can be made to treat cough. The trick is to get no rest, drink lots of water, and eat honey. Prevention: the way to prevent it is to prevent the spread of our health as well as our family and those around us. Hi guys, don't forget to join us at the Development University of Indonesia Manado. There are lots of majors with the best achievements. Come join us at Universitas Pembangunan Indonesia Manado. Thank you.